Hi viewers, welcome to my English World channel. Today's our topic is present perfect continuous tense. It tells something about an action that started in the past and still continuing or still in progress. Structure of the present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have or has plus been plus V4 plus object. So same example. I have been learning English since Monday. So example is the same. But let us observe what are the changes that occur if we change the sentence into interrogative form. So we have to bring this have form in front of the subject as we did in the previous tenses. So bring the have form in front of the sentence, in front of the subject, and add a question mark. It will become an interrogative form of present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Have I. So we have brought this have in front of the subject I. So have I been okay, the remaining sentence okay is as it is. You have to write the remaining sentence as it is, okay, and add a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, have is brought in front of a I subject. So have I been learning English since Monday? Have I been, have only must be brought in front of the subject. So have I been learning English since Monday? Add a question mark. Have we been reading books for 2 hours? Have you been teaching English since 2015? Have they been speaking English for the last 2 years? Has, so we have brought this has in front of the subject. Has he been writing a letter since 2 o'clock? Had she been doing her homework for the last 1 hour? Has it been drinking milk for a long time? So this is how we have to form interrogative forms of a present perfect continuous tense. Next is negative form of present perfect continuous tense. Only thing is that we have to add not to has or have. So I have not. So not is added, okay, to have, and not is added here to has. So has not been, has not, have not been, has not been. For I, we, you, they use have not been. We use have not been for I, we, you, they. I have not been. We have not been. You have not been. They have not been. And even in the same case of he, she, it. So he has not been. She has not been. It has not been. So have not been for I, we, you, they. Has not been for he, she, it. Okay. I have not been learning English since Monday. We have not been reading books for 2 hours. You have not been teaching English since 2015. They have not been they have not been speaking English for the last 2 years. He has not been writing a letter since 2 o'clock. She has not been doing her homework for the last 1 hour. It has not been drinking milk for a long time. So only the change that we made is the sentence is the same, but we added only not to auxiliary verb has or have. Okay, and what are the usages of present perfect continuous tense? We use present perfect continuous tense to an action that began in the past and still running. So we use present perfect tense to express an action, to express an action that to express an action that began in the past and still running. సో గతంలో ఒక పని ప్రారంభమై ప్రస్తుతం ఇంకా జరుగుతూ ఉంది అని చెప్పడానికి ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూయస్ టెన్స్ని మనం ఉపయోగిస్తాము. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ హింట్స్ని తీసుకుంటే సిన్స్, ఫర్. సో hints for this present perfect continuous tense is since, for, and for a long time. Okay, for the last 1 hour, for the last 2 hours. These are all the hints of present perfect continuous tense. If we uh, identify these keywords, so keywords since, for a long time, and for the last 1, 2, 3 or anything. So 1 minute, okay, one minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 year, 1 decade, maybe. Okay, and 1 hour, 1 day, okay, here 2 hours, 2 minutes, 2 days, 2 hours, 2 weeks, 2 years, anything. For the last 2 years, for the last 2 months, for the last 2 weeks, for the last 2 days, for the last 2 hours, for the last 2 minutes, you can use. Okay, so countable time. Then this is, and where do we use since and where do we use for? So for all the point of time we use since, for all period of time we use for. How it is? Since Monday, we are pointing that name of the week. So since Monday, since Sunday, since Monday, since Tuesday, etc. Since January, so name of the month. So since January, since February, etc. Okay, and since 2015, we are pointing the particular year. Okay, not the number of year. Okay, that particular year. So 2015, since 2015, since 2016. So these are known as point of time. So we are pointing that particular name of the year, month or week, or o'clock also. So o'clock also comes under this. Okay, since 2 o'clock, since 3 o'clock, since o'clock. So o'clock, if we use o'clock, this is also point of time. So for all point of time we use since. Okay, and period of time. So what is period of time? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, etc. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Okay, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, etc. We are counting that period of time. Okay, periods of time. So these period of time is known as, so period of time is countable time. So that is counting time. We are counting time, the period of time there. So that we use for the period of time for. So these are the hints of present perfect continuous tense. If you are really interested in my videos, please like and subscribe and share my videos and channel. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.